Welcome to Aziot Digital Door Lock setup. Put in the 4 AA batteries that will support up to 3000 events. Note that batteries are not included with our door lock. Press the reset button next to the battery slot with the help of a narrow object. You will hear 7 beeps followed by a double beep indicating that the lock is in configuration mode. Swipe your hand on the front lock to check if the lock is activated. If the keypad becomes visible, then the smart door lock is installed and activated correctly. Open this slot to insert the mechanical key and operate the lock. The digital door lock will be operated using the keypad. Initially, the lock does not have any password or RFID or fingerprint setup. Set the admin password. Press *# and it will prompt you to enter admin code. Enter a 6-digit code of your wish followed by a hashtag. Re-enter the admin code followed by a hashtag to confirm. Admin password is set. The setting option allows to add users, admin, fingerprint and RFID cards. To go to settings, press * 6-digit admin code and hashtag to enter. The voiceover will give you the following prompt. Press 1 to add user. Press 2 to delete user. Press 3 for lock settings. Press 4 to add admin. Note that hashtag key works as select or enter and * works as back. Press 1 to enter the user. Press the fingerprint sensor on the door lock handle to add fingerprint. Press it 7 times, allowing it to scan fingerprint properly. Once scanned, the blue light on the fingerprint sensor will turn green, indicating the fingerprint user is registered. Please note that each user is given a unique user ID, and this user ID is prompted once a new user ID is created or every time the user unlocks the door. Please note down this user ID as it will be required to remove the user. Press the * to come back. To add RFID, again, press 1 to enter the user. Place the RFID card over the keypad and done. Press the * to come back. Press 2 to delete the user. Enter user ID and then press hashtag to enter. Prompt will ask to confirm. Confirm by pressing the hashtag. Press the * to come back. Press 3 for lock setting. You will be prompted as press 1 for function settings. Press 2 for volume settings. Press 3 for language settings. Press 4 for more settings. Press 1. Function settings has 4 options that can be selected by pressing 1 for enable passage mode. This keeps the lock open after unlocking until a passcode, RFID, or fingerprint is entered again. 2 for dual verify mode. This requires double authentication for unlocking. For instance, user will be asked for a passcode and fingerprint for entry. 3 for anti-burglar alarm. Triggers an alarm after 3 consecutive incorrect password attempts. 4 for enable mute. Disables keypad sounds. Press 2 for volume settings. Press 1 to increase volume. Press 2 to decrease volume. Press 3 for language settings. Press 4 for more settings. Time settings allows modification of the lock's time and date. Initialize settings deletes all general user data while retaining admin data. To add admin, press * 6-digit admin code and hashtag to enter. Then press 4. Keep your thumb on the fingerprint sensor 7 times till the ring color changes to green. Once done, admin is added. Total 3 admins can be added. Same way add RFID.